I thought I was the tech expert, but my ego was a trap.
No!
What did I do wrong?
After I struggled with my own screen protector for a few minutes, my daughter took over her iPhone 15 and finished it in under a minute. The Magic John 2 pack is fail proof. If you read the instructions, cover the phone, pull the tab, and the automatic dust removal tech aligns the glass while vacuuming every speck of dust. It leaves a professional finish, and any tiny remaining air pockets were easily squeezed out. The privacy
Wow.
glass is a huge win for using her phone in public. It keeps the screen hidden from anyone sitting nearby while staying 100% touch accurate for her. The built in waterproof speaker cover also keeps the hardware clean. It's a sleek, budget friendly way to protect an expensive device without a DIY disaster. If you want an installation that's child's play, this is a perfect fit for your phone. Just be prepared for your
Okay.
kids to do a better job than you.